Kayak dulu deh. Kain dulu deh berarti. Save dulu guys, ngeri. Katanya kalau berbahaya, ada kata-kata bahayanya. Takut. Dream Beast. Ya udah berarti gas aja guys. Ini ceritanya gimana sih? Mimpi gitu, di dalam mimpi. Wah, anjay. Ih, keren monsternya. Ini siapa guys? Ini bisa. Coba sekali tes. Unite bro. Weh, apaan tuh? Gua nggak pakai mark sama sekali anjir. Kita pakai dulu buat dia nih. Ya cukup. Nggak ada monster dong. Kok nggak bisa ya ke situ? Anjir mundur terus ke bawah terus nih. Hah?
What is wrong with you, Manneral? Continue. Yes, Mother. Hey.
Ih keren tahu. Ada step ini ada animasinya.
That must be Sham's little sister. And they have another book.
Kesakitan gitu ya.
What are you doing, taking a break? You haven't even completed half of today's
Galak banget
schedule.
anjir.
Lady Lislan, I'm afraid if the princess does any more...
Silence. You saw it too, didn't you, Mobile? The incredible mark of the stars. Even the magedom's great mage arts at present fall short of those tremendous powers. For the sake of the magedom, to repel the order, we must find a way as soon as possible. A way to strengthen our mage arts to the level of the mark of the stars. Or a way to make the mark of the stars accessible to anyone.
That's true, but...
In order to do that, then, we must get more information from this chronicle. And the only person who can do that is you, Manneral. You are the reader. Mother, I know this is difficult for you, dear, but you'll do it, won't you? For Mother? Yes, I'm happy to do it.
Princess,
Act, Melchizedek, Quirrell, Kia, Retrax, Leo.
what the... What are they doing to that little girl?
Please be quiet.
Huh?
You. Your job is done. Please leave now.
Now hold on. Ain't that Sham's sister? I don't know what they're doing to her, but we gotta help her.
With the use of force, you mean?
Well,
If you did that, it would mean that Prince Shams had you make an attack on the Arcane Academy. The prince would be called to account, and the person who gave us the key would be punished.
Punished?
If worst came to worst, it might even lead to a political situation involving the Imperial Palace. So, do you still want to rescue Princess Manneril? Right here and now? With the use of force?
No. At least tell me what the heck is going on, though, will ya?
All right. Let's go back to the Prince's Palace, then.
Balik nih. Tinggi banget anjir. The ability to extract information from it and transform this information into writing. ceritanya seru guys. Apakah kita akan melamatkan dia guys?